Welcome back to your SOWIT mobile app guide. In this episode, we will cover how to order Fertisat so that you can take your fertilization operations to the next level. First of all, choose on which plot you want to order Fertisat. After accessing the plot, all you have to do is click on the bottom of the page to display more details. Click on Order one of our solutions. Now you can see the menu of our different solutions. Since you are watching this tutorial, you'll probably want to order Fertisat. Let's click on it so that we can proceed with the order. Confirm which plot you want to use Fertisat on. Now you will have to select the fertilization stages, the dosages, and the beginning date. And voila! You have completed the Fertisat order and are on your way to optimize your cereal production.